So you might be trying to figure out how you can get your WhatsApp link. Now, your WhatsApp link is a way for people to go and just basically message you immediately, right, with just by clicking a link, without you having to go ahead and basically add them on WhatsApp or anything like that. Now, to do this, we can follow WhatsApp's own link guidelines on their own particular page, which is their click to chat option. Now, you can see right here what basically this describes is basically just says that, hey, in order to use this, you have to make sure that, this is the following the way it looks. Now, there's no way to register a link, but the way it looks like is basically a link within WhatsApp is basically using this format. So we can do this, HTTPS the colons and slash wa.me/your phone number. So basically what it looks like is, let's just say you had a phone number that was like 0000. Well, this is what the layout of that particular phone number would look like, or that link would look like. So you would basically start off with that particular standard baseline, which is the wa.me, and then a backslash, it would be your international area code. So in America, it'd be 1, and then it would be predetermined by your phone number. So let's just say, for example, we're just using this particular thing, right? Well, let's say I'm a person who lives in America, and I wanted to go ahead and basically just have people message me. But what I would do is I would put the international code, which would be 1 in my case, and then you can go and put in your phone number. So let's just say my phone number was 0000, just a bunch of zeros. Well, you would go and input your phone number here, and then that would be your link. So now you could go and embed this link in whatever way, and WhatsApp actually shows you some ways and you can do it, some banners and some examples. But that's basically how you do it. Then you can take that link, send it to people, and they can immediately start chatting with you by just sending a link to them. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.